Now, I remember when I was just learning photo editing and photo manipulation, I really missed like some contests or challenges that I could participate in. Since I've built my audience on YouTube, I thought, why not organize my own contest? They are a great way to connect with like-minded people, a great way to learn, and obviously to get inspired by others. I did 3 polls on different channels and the results blew my mind. More than 230 of you actually voted, and almost half of you actually longed for a photo editing contest. Now, immediately I saw comments like, I won't participate because I'm not good enough. But that is the whole point of the contest. It is to participate to actually become better. So I decided to make the barrier to entry as low as possible and make this a fun contest for literally everyone, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, let me tell you more about the photo editing challenge. So once you click on the link below this video, you will be brought to this landing page, the photo editing challenge. Now, this is a fun editing contest for all skill levels. Your participation, creativity, and imagination will be rewarded. Participation is completely free, and I'm proud to tell you that for this specific challenge, I actually partnered up with Huion, which is a company that makes pen tablets, which I've been using myself for years and years, and they offered to give the winner the Huion Inspiroi Ink H320M. Now, of course, I'm gonna add some prizes to that. So, how to win and what exactly can you win? To give everybody a fair chance to win, the winning artworks will be picked based on creativity and originality, which counts for 75%, and execution, which weighs only 25%. And all the winners will be announced on my YouTube channel. So the winner will win the Huion Inspiroi Ink H320M, plus the Ultimate Brush Bundle, which is my best-selling brush bundle, which includes 176 hyper-realistic brushes, including northern lights, fire, water, lens flares, lightning, particles, you name it. Basically everything you can possibly need to spice up your photos. Now, this bundle comes with a full tutorial library, so you can actually get the most out of the bundle, and you will learn tons of very creative photo effects. And the winner will get the art of brush creation, which is my masterclass in which I teach step by step how to create super realistic brushes from scratch. I've used these exact same techniques to create every single brush in the Ultimate Brush Bundle. Now, the second and third place will win the Ultimate Brush Bundle and the Art of Brush Creation, and the fourth and the fifth place will win the Ultimate Brush Bundle. And because I want to reward you for participation, all participants will receive challenge exclusive assets, a free brush pack, and exclusive discounts. So, how to participate? Everybody from beginners to advanced users can participate and will have a fair chance to win, because it is your creativity that matters. Now, in order to get a chance to win the prizes, all participants must be subscribed to the IAMRENSI YouTube channel. So if you haven't done that yet, do that right now. Then it's time to sign up and you click the button Join the Challenge, which brings you to this little page right here, on which you fill in your information and then hit the Join the Challenge button. Once you've done that, I will immediately send you an email with the subject Important, download your assets, and use this email to download your assets. This is very important. Now, once you've downloaded your assets, you will find this folder right here, which includes 2 templates. One is like a landscape template and one for portrait, so you can decide the orientation of your artwork. And you will find the assets for the project. Now, you can either use the assets panel in Affinity Photo, and I've actually included some instructions on how to import these assets to Affinity Photo. But if that is too complex, I've also included all the PNGs for all the assets right in here. And this is actually my dog Buddy. So we just had this fun photo shoot, and I already spent hours, honestly, to cut him out. So I've done the hard work for you so that you can actually focus on being creative and creating something awesome. Now, then it's time to actually dive into Affinity Photo and to actually create something unique. There are a few rules to this contest, so let me actually cover these right now. What are the rules? Your photo edit must be made using Affinity Photo. You are not allowed to use artificial intelligence like Midjourney and DALL-E. I know it is fun to use artificial intelligence, but for this contest, I want to see your own creativity. Rule number 3 is your edit must contain at least one of the challenge assets. And rule number 4 is you can only submit 1 entry per person. So make it count, take your time to create something awesome, make something you're proud of, and then submit it. The deadline for this challenge is the 5th of June, so make sure to submit your entry before the 5th of June, and you want to use the submit form that I've actually created. Now, there's a button right here to submit your artwork, also at the very bottom of this page, and if you sign up, I will send you an email once it's time to actually submit your artwork. Now, the form looks like this. So this is the photo editing challenge submit form. You just want to fill out your information, upload your image. This has to be a PNG or a JPEG, so not the Affinity Photo file, but actually an image file. And then you just submit your entry. And that was basically it regarding the photo editing challenge. Now, as mentioned, signing up is completely free, so just join the challenge, create something fun. Even if you are just a beginner, it is a very good practice to actually create something you're proud of. And the great thing is you can actually win some amazing prizes. Thanks so much to Huion for sponsoring the winner's prize. And yeah, I'm super looking forward to what you're gonna create. I'm also gonna create my own entry, but I'm gonna make a separate video on that. And yeah, see you very soon. Good luck with the challenge.